Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
Together, we're Backyard Musing, broadcasting from the People's Republic of California.
Yep, and we are talking about a really cool story. Not too cool where it is, but the outcome or the possibilities of this are just really cool. We like these kind of stories.
Yeah. A little-known desert berry may hold the key to fighting diabetes. Scientists may have just uncovered a surprising new weapon in the fight against diabetes, the fruit of an ancient desert plant known as Nitraria roborowskii KOM. KOM. This resilient shrub has long been used in traditional medicine, but has only recently gained scientific attention. In modern experiments, its fruit extract displayed a remarkable ability to reverse insulin resistance and restore healthy metabolism in diabetic mice. Would you like to know more?
Yeah, this is a really good story.
Yeah.
The results went far beyond stabilizing blood sugar. Researchers found that the extract also corrected lipid imbalances and reduced oxidative stress, two major complications of diabetes. These effects were linked to the activation of a key cellular signaling pathway that helps regulate metabolism. Taken together, the findings suggest a powerful new direction for developing safer, more natural treatments for diabetes, one of the world's most common chronic diseases. So, you know what? As long as it doesn't cause the big D, it would be great.
Yeah. As the number of people living with diabetes continues to climb, potentially reaching 750 million by 2045, scientists are urgently seeking better ways to manage the condition. Current medications can control symptoms, but often fail to tackle the root causes of metabolic dysfunction and may cause side effects over time. This challenge has driven researchers to re-examine traditional medicines in search of untapped therapeutic compounds.
Okay, one promising candidate is Nitraria roborowskii KOM. This shrub thrives in the harsh deserts of western China. I didn't even know that there were deserts in China. Maybe I guess maybe
like Mongolia. That's all desert.
Yeah, that's desert, right? Where its bright red berries, known locally as desert cherries, have nourished and healed communities for generations. Despite its long history of use, the plant's biological mechanisms remain a mystery. The gap between its traditional reputation and scientific understanding led researchers to explore its effects using modern biochemical methods. Okay.
The breakthrough findings were reported in the Chinese Journal of Modern Applied Pharmacy on April 14th, 2025 by a research team from Qinghai University and the Northeast Institute of Plateau Biology. Using rigorous experimental designs, the scientists examined how a concentrated fruit extract, NRK-C, affected diabetic mice.
Excuse me. Over a 7-week period, the treated mice showed dramatic improvements in several key health markers. NRK-C significantly lowered blood glucose levels, good, improved insulin response, good, and corrected metabolic imbalances. Further analysis revealed that the extract's benefits stemmed from its influence on a previously underexplored biological pathway, pointing to a novel mechanism for restoring metabolic health.
The research team's comprehensive investigation yielded striking results demonstrating NRK-C's multifaceted therapeutic potential. Over a 7-week treatment period, which is probably a lifetime for a mouse, the desert berry extract produced a remarkable 30 to 40% reduction in fasting blood glucose levels in diabetic mice, with efficacy increasing in a clear dose-dependent manner. So when they say fasting, did they starve the mice? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Perhaps most impressively, the natural compound restored insulin sensitivity by approximately 50% compared to untreated diabetic controls as measured through sophisticated metabolic tests.
Okay, beyond these primary benefits, NRK-C exhibited an unexpected breadth of action. normalizing cholesterol profiles and slashing oxidative stress markers by up to 60%. Effects rarely achieved by single pharmaceutical agents. I'm sure some of the pharmaceutical people are not very happy about this. Molecular analysis revealed the extract's secret lies in its ability to reactivate the PI3K/AKT pathway, whatever that is, essentially rebooting a critical metabolic signaling system that becomes dysfunctional in diabetes. Microscopic tissue examinations provided visual confirmation of NRKC's protective effects, showing preserved liver architecture and pancreatic integrity that starkly contrasted with the damage seen in untreated diabetic mice.
These coordinated improvements across multiple physiological systems suggest NRK-C works through a fundamental metabolic reset rather than simply masking symptoms, offering potential advantages over current single-target diabetes medications. The discovery is particularly noteworthy because it achieves these comprehensive effects through a naturally occurring compound rather than the complex drug cocktails typically required for such broad metabolic benefits.
Okay. This is a quote. These results are exciting because they suggest we might be able to treat diabetes more holistically, explains Dr. Yu Hulen, senior researcher on the project. Going on with the quote, instead of just lowering blood sugar like most medications, this plant extract appears to help the body regain its natural metabolic balance. The implications could extend beyond diabetes to other conditions involving insulin resistance. Okay.
The research team cautions that human trials are needed, but believes this could represent a major step. Well, isn't the human trials the people living in the desert that use these for generations?
I was going to say, they're not just feeding them to their mice, right? They're
right.
I would hope that they're trying this stuff, and if nobody out there in the middle of nowhere in Western China doesn't have diabetes, then that's your trial, man.
Yeah, that's
Spread
the
it
trial.
out.
Okay, human trials are needed, but believes this could represent a major step toward more natural diabetes management. The discovery opens several promising avenues for diabetes care. Pharmaceutical companies may explore developing standardized NRK-C extracts as complementary therapies, while nutritionists could investigate incorporating the berries into functional foods. Importantly, the findings validate traditional medicinal knowledge while providing a scientific basis for its effects.
Really? So you see big pharma promoting this?
Possibly, if they can make money from it.
Yeah.
If they can get to it first and get it out there.
I see people smuggling this plant out of China and growing it in the Mojave Desert.
Let's do it, man.
County. What's that?
Let's do it. Let's make a buck.
Yeah, that could be a big cash
side hustle.
As research continues, scientists are particularly interested in whether NRK-C might help prevent diabetes in high-risk individuals or reduce complications in existing patients. The study also highlights the importance of preserving and studying traditional medicinal plants, which may hold a solution to modern health challenges waiting to be rediscovered. And just what I said earlier about smuggling, I don't promote smuggling anything out of any country. Please don't come for me. Yeah.
You're backpedaling.
Scott, not going to smuggle anything. Come on
now. It's been a while since you smuggled something, right?
It has been a while since I smuggled anything.
All right, folks. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you on the next one.
Take care, everyone. Have a great afternoon. Thanks.